Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. Before I start the video, I did want to say, remember to give me a like and subscribe and comment. Liking the video is free. If you could, it definitely helps the algorithm push my videos out to other people that would more than likely enjoy the video just as much as you guys. So thank you for that. I just wanted to post this because ETH and BTC are more than likely going to be closing a bearish day today. And I am already, well, first of all, I'm already I'm short AF on all crypto right now. And looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum, it does look like Bitcoin is headed to around 16,300, which is another roughly, it is another 13% drop to the low side. And Ethereum is probably going to be doing the same thing, probably another drop to 942, which is from here. We're looking at another like 25% drop, which is pretty insane. I do think that once we drop from here, we can possibly go back to 1260, retest that, possibly retest trend. These are my positions right now on ETH, Bitcoin, and I'm shorting pretty big on the Nasdaq and the SPX also. But on ETH and on Bitcoin, I definitely think we're gonna go lower. I have a bunch of Mara puts. I have a lot of Meta puts. I think the Nasdaq and the SPY are definitely going to hurt, especially after the Credit Suisse and Deutsche Bank news and stuff. But what is most concerning is if we actually look. Whoa, sorry, that was my daughter. This is actually something that I showed my Patreon members a little bit earlier today. This is actually something that I'm expecting. I do think that once we close this bear trigger on the daily for the total market cap of crypto overall, I am looking for like another 40+% drop on all of crypto. As of right now, we are essentially hanging on a thread or by a finger between the 900 billion and $1 trillion market cap. I do think that's going to break to the low side. The next level is 845 billion market cap for crypto. I do think that's going to get broken sometime this week, next week, and I think we're going to start our descent to $500 billion market cap for the totality of the crypto market cap. So collectively, I do think everything's going to be dropping another 40%. Bitcoin and Ethereum are probably going to drop not as high. I think it's probably going to drop maybe another 20-30%. But I think altcoins are going to hurt, dramatically. I think altcoins are going to do really bad. But again, this is what I think. I think this is going to happen the next. I don't really have too much of a forecast. But I think we are headed down to a $500 billion market cap. And again, Bitcoin today, more than likely going to close. Actually, let's use a Coinbase Bitcoin. Bitcoin today is more than likely going to be closing this bear trigger in about 17 minutes, actually. I'm 100% sure this is going to close. No doubt in my mind, unless we have some sort of ridiculous push to like $20,000. I really doubt this closes bullish. I think that, again, Bitcoin is going to like 16K. And Ethereum looks like it's probably going to like $950 or so, around that market structure. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.